video. Today it's raining. Yep, it's raining. Such an original video. I just got back from school and it's also raining. See, if you look at the sky, it's raining. You didn't get our address in there, did you?
No, I don't think.
But like, it's raining.
Oh, well, it stopped raining for the moment. It's just really windy now.
Yeah. And you see right there, it's like a mini river,
Look.
leading into the ventilation system.
Ooh, doggy.
Like,
Here, it's
yeah. Good. Over here, there is like, oh yeah, it's Valentine's Day, I forgot to mention that.
Happy Valentine's Day.
You know, I said there was like a mini river. It goes into there, and that's where all the money goes. There's also a stick that's probably been there since 2018. And there's a bus, so I'm gonna not be in the road anymore. But yeah, that's pretty cool because it's raining.
Here, look at me.
Huh?
Go over here.
Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Who'd you wave at?
I waved at one of them, I don't know.